To find the Trust Wallet fingerprint login feature, start by opening the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, navigate to the Settings menu, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a gear icon, depending on your device and app version. In the Settings menu, look for the Security section, which may be labeled as Security or Security Settings. This is where you will find various options to enhance the security of your Trust Wallet account. Within the Security section, search for the biometric authentication or fingerprint login option. This option allows you to enable fingerprint recognition as an additional layer of security to access your Trust Wallet account. If you have a fingerprint sensor on your device, you will be prompted to scan your fingerprint when you enable this feature. Follow the on-screen instructions to register your fingerprint, which usually involves placing your finger on the sensor and lifting it multiple times to capture a complete scan. After successfully registering your fingerprint, you can use it to log in to your Trust Wallet account, providing an extra layer of security and convenience. It is essential to ensure that your device and the Trust Wallet app are up to date, as the exact steps and menu options may vary depending on the version and your device's operating system. Enabling fingerprint login on Trust Wallet is a straightforward process that enhances account security and makes accessing your wallet more convenient. By following these steps and taking advantage of the fingerprint login feature, you can protect your cryptocurrency assets more effectively and enjoy a seamless user experience.